Meaning of extracorporeal.
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 Extracorporeal. Extracorporeal refers to a medical procedure or treatment that takes place outside of the patient's body. This can involve the use of external devices, such as dialysis machines or heart-lung bypass machines, to perform vital bodily functions. The aim is to support or replace the patient's failing organs or physiological processes, allowing their body to heal and recover. Extracorporeal treatments are often used in critical care situations for people with conditions such as kidney failure, lung disease, or cardiac arrest. They can be life-saving interventions and may be used alongside other medical treatments.